Good evening, everyone. Here is Mother Nature, Obomoto 1. Today's topic is Iyore 1 of Paris with her stupid topics, part 2. As I said during the part 1, she go write name of topic na another thing na she go dey talk. Just like the one wey she do some days ago, e say everyone has a story. Everyone has a story. Inside this everyone has a story. E dey advise women and men, if they settle, make dem no talk to each other. Na only bed, if they dey bed, na go end everything. Make dem no dey discuss with one another. But she forget say relationship without discussion is nothing. Anybody wey you know, man or woman, wey be say you no fit sit down discuss with am, whether na quarrel or na normal discussion o, but na only make two of una dey get sex with each other, that is not a relationship. That one na just fucking mate dem dey call am, person wey you go just meet, na know wetin two of una want. That one na just do one, una go una way. But it is not for somebody wey you dey say na life partner, or you wan do relationship with, or you want to spend the rest of your life with. You can't do that person like that you will not discuss. If there is problem, what of a serious issue come call you people have children, there is serious issue, you will still go and end everything with the manhood, or na everything na vagina just dey cover. Any problem wey dey na inside bed, na everything go just end. And I tell una say every day na she go dey confess wetin she dey confess. I think my last videos I was talking about the 30 million wey they say they pay am. Then once she wan go dey build estate, una see the video wey she do some days ago about the money wey she see, money wey she wan take go dey open estate, dey build estate for Lagos. Wetin she talk? She say somebody dash her 3 million. Somebody give her 3 million once. If they catch am here, you go put another story take give una this side. So idiot people don't see they believe the story they go. Even the house wey she say she get for Paris where she dey live, she and who buy the house? Where her name dey for the house? But she dey tell people say she get house wey cost more than 150,000. Any small thing, 150,000 house na she get. She dey live for private area, resident area, this one, that one. Where she see money where she take go buy house? Her name dey house. Small time go see big another story come out again. Now na the estate where she say she dey bid for Lagos, where they say they wan start to dey bid for Lagos, I mean they don dey bid for Lagos. Now e change mouth. E say person dash am 3 million. That 3 million, the person dash am land, dash am 3 million. With that money, make he use and take start up, take be the house finish. Which kind of nonsense talk be that? No be estate again. Na 3 million they dash you with one land. But she dey tell people online last time say na estate na e be. They wan begin dey build their own estate. They get land where they sell. Now once na 3 million, na person na dash am 3 million. Well, she can say that to those people that are interested in the nonsense she's talking about. That woman lie a lot, and the thing that is sad in it is the way people believe what she is saying. They use another thing. They use another thing till they cover eye. 4 days ago, now she use her mouth to talk and say she Jesus. He said since then he never see Jesus. I be the Jesus wey he see since then, no be the same Jesus in the see since then. Now she don more talk and say since 4 or 5 days now she's not born again. What if she can't be since then now before the 5 days? I think she dey tell people say she dey see this, she dey see that one. That means before that 5 days ago, Iyore 1 of Paris is not born again. She don't know God. She don't know Jesus. Because according to her, it's 5 days ago she see Jesus. You see Jesus, he said it be like big story building or what she said. The same time now you see and say they need to carry olive oil, put salt inside. Very soon now the next one where you go bring come out, you go say make una add pepper, make una put maggi, make una put onions, make una begin the cook stew. Very soon now you go tell una say make una dey drink stew, make una dey drink tomatoes and oil with salt. No be so she go talk am. She go say make dem put tomatoes and salt, because salt must dey everything. Small time now, very soon go tell una say make una put yam and salt. Food don set now, since oil and salt. And there's a word she said na only she want for the whole world. Now they use olive oil and salt. You know, pastors wey dey Nigeria, then they use olive oil. I don't know where that woman can say in there. Has she even visited Nigeria since the whole years when she go abroad, go do her shower where she say she retire, come out? I notice say that woman don't enter Nigeria one single day. Since then when she come out, go do her shower. I notice say she don't enter Nigeria again one single day. I don't believe that. Let her show it. Make she show her passport say she don't enter Nigeria. Make she show her passport say she don't enter Nigeria since when she come out. Because the way when that woman they talk, it be like say they brainwash the woman and she they try to brainwash other people join her. Because Nigeria, if that is not the matter, in Nigeria she's supposed to not say for Nigeria we have olive oil. Olive oil they exist. Go for that Benin. You can go and buy olive oil. Almost every oil where we they use here for abroad. Almost every oil where we they use here for abroad. In supermarket you can even enter and buy it. Olive oil is in Nigeria. I don't know who they tell the woman say that kind of thing not the Nigeria say we not get olive oil for Nigeria. I don't know who they tell her all those kind of a thing. The Jesus what she said she see 5 days ago. Then tell her say the olive oil not the Nigeria. Make she carry oil and salt put. Very soon now red oil and salt. Yam and salt. Okra and salt. Now all of now go begin. Now our followers now go begin start to the drink. They begin start to the drink all their belly, all their kidney, everything will start to the big, they grow. Everything will start to the big, they rise. People when they sick, you tell them say make they no go hospital. Make them they take oil, make them they drink oil with salt. Because now that olive oil and salt, now she they drink. Abi, now they their mind say now that woman they drink. And the thing what they tire me for inside now the way where she take just the carry the live video. See the one where she even do whether na yesterday. In her son she dey sneeze the other one sleep. He want sleep for live video. Now fight to enter live video. Is it do or die? Of course she must enter because now the more people they go they look her, now they'll sit there they pay her. Of course. That is where she also join get her money from. All these things what she they do, she don't have anything to do. She don't do anything for the living. I don't feel they tell una before. Till she use her man take her first take they beg una money. Say me una they send her money when she take they buy cream. May other people children they send you money when you take the chop, when you take they buy cream. And she don't talk what he make her do live video. You get what she talk. He say ayelala where they home. Say make they leave people where they abroad alone. Say people where they abroad no they send money they give them. Say make ayelala audio ayelala where they those states. Say make they leave people for abroad for only she. That is all those ones so they abroad now her own. Make they not they expect any money. Now she now then need to the face. Moreover, if they go church, they pay offering for church. What kind of a nonsense is that? Eh? I don't understand what this woman is up to. She just a try to brainwash any idiot where give her time to even listen to her. Eh? And the thing is that she will do the live video, children go sit there. Children will still be there. Till that kind of a time, till in the morning. Till in the morning, children will be there. See the one she even do yesterday, I've been there before yesterday. Now so you take hand, raise hand up, you want beat this pikin where they there. You want never beat the pikin wey dey there. Pikin wey no be your own. You are raising your hand up. A child that you don't give birth to, a child that is not your own, someone else's child. You dey raise hand up, you want beat am because you know what make the pikin disturb you for live video. Who even dey give her pikin make they take care of? Who is giving that woman children there to put them there for complete more than 6 hours? Now she don't even limit her before now 7 to 8 hours. Now she dey stay for live video. You go put children there, sit down. Now 6 hours. Now she dey stay. They do live video. They raise hand up the big pikin. Children cannot sleep. All the day you want to do a live video, and you are opening your mouth, still insulting their mother that you are the better mother than her. What kind of a nonsense is that? People know they see all those ones. Then they see all those ones. The Edo State, eh? They do you bad thing. They do you evil. They do you bad. Not the way you not talk put. But yet, you are the one that does still want to leave them alone. You are the one that said you are praying for them. You are still the one that still any day where you not sleep well, you go still insult the people that are there. You are still the one that still spit on them. You are still the one that are breaking roots, insulting the palace, insulting the Oba. Only you one. Only you one. Nicely they do one. What is it, Yore one of Paris? What is it? What is it? That is to show. Now only Edo State. Now she think and say she want go brainwash people. She think and say now only there. Now many idiots for come out from. There are many people that are living right there that have more sense. Even market women when they sell fish for market, even get more sense than she. They get more sense than she. Eh? I don't understand. I no just understand what that woman they up to. Eh? They advise women, men they only they follow men. Men where they buy them jewelry. Men where they buy them gifts. Men where only they give them money. Where they shower their life with money. Man go newly know woman. He supposed to they pack all his money, everything where he suffer for, where he plan for, where he keep all his service, make him put up for the woman. He not the woman. Before the woman not the man. Okay? The woman don't used to eat. The woman and the family not they alive. They not they survive. Before the woman not the man. But make it normal, make it pack all the expenses and everything give to the man. You people want to rule the man down. That is what you are advising your followers to be doing. Let them be giving their problem to the men. Let them be demanding the men to be paying them. Any man when no woman will be say the woman they ask am of things and carry the family problems and things upon to the man and expecting the man to carry all his hard-earned money and his savings and give it to the woman. That woman is a prostitute. Because the woman say make you dey pay. So and the woman say make him pay. What did the man come dey pay for now? What be the thing where the man come dey pay for inside? That means the woman is also equals to a shower. Now the woman still be. Because if the woman know that the woman entered that place and the woman called it a relationship, if the woman really talk and say the woman there inside the relationship, the woman will not be demanding and be demanding and be demanding from the man. Instead, the woman will join the man to be saving for both of them, for later, for two of them, for their family. Maybe one day if they get children, the woman is supposed to join her, build home with the man, build things with the man. Let two of them and he with the man stand with two of their legs. Build something up, not for the woman to the demand everything where the man gets, make the man carry her, give her. That kind of a thing is very, very bad. Very, 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 very bad. But now what did she dey advise her followers to dey do? Very stupid woman be like that. And my second topic to this topic is about burial. Burial is that issue. I believe say every African gets the same problem when it comes to burial. I don't know whether now Africa, I never go all Africa, might not, excuse me for that one, for the thing where I talk now, say for all Africa. But I believe, like, let us take Nigeria. Now the same problem now all of us dey face when it comes to burial. If person just die for family, whether na mama o, na papa o, na him die for family, the rest children, they go just see and say problem don start. The children left behind. Problem don start. Why? Why all these things? Why? This one go say he want money. This one go say he want this one. This one go say he want that one. There are some families sef wey be say even the children of the person wey die sef no even know the whole entire family of am. He no know the whole family. But if death don come, if death enter the family, na then they go come dey hear say so person join Okaegbe, this one join this one, these people will need this thing, these people will need that thing. Why is it like that for African burial? Why the thing dey be like that if person die for all those our Nigeria burial? I wan just take Edo State because I'm from Edo State also. Why? The children mind no go come down. Some of the children, they can't even eat, drink water, let their mind come down because of the name of burial, which is very bad. Which is very bad. Some people sef even they take credit for them to go do burial, which is not something that's supposed to be. How can person mama or person papa die? He go bank, he go take credit, or he go dey borrow people money, make them borrow am money, make him go do burial. Already make una calculate how many tickets. Like person wey get family now, wey get 2, 3 children or 4 children now. Somebody come die now for Nigeria. Before he go say he wan buy ticket for himself, he wan buy ticket for the rest children. Then he wan see home money where he with the family wants to take eat. Then he go come say he wan see home money again when he wants to take go do burial. He go come see calculate him own side again, say he must see home money again when he wants to take buy things what the family say they go demand, they go need. Some of them let them do burial, they will be calling million. 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, 6 million. There are even some people. There are some people that even they will go to burial. They will even get stranded over there in Nigeria. They call people for abroad to help them send money come. Make them for CC money for transport. All those kind of a thing. How can the person where una dey bury dey happy? How person where they bury where they wanted they happy? How? There are some family they can do everything. Even that dead body, if they fit even sell them. If you say they fit even carry and go market, Alaba market, or Uselu market, make they sell them one. They go even sell the dead body. There are some families that are like that. Very greedy. Very, very greedy. Very greedy. These are things we need to change in Edo State. These are things we need to change. We need to change it. Like for Austria here now, where I stay in Austria. If Oyibo person die, they will go do burial. The burial what they want do, now only for some minutes, highest 1 hour, it don't finish. To send their condolence and respect to the person who die. After that, the family of the person wey die go ask the people wey come. E go tell dem say, see o, after this burial ground wey dem wan comot, dem wan go coffee house, or they want to go to a restaurant nearby to eat something together with the family, since the whole family are gathered here and they have not seen since years, or never seen since years or months. They would like to go gather, make them go eat something together. Whoever like, for the people wey come, the friends so wey come for the burial, can join them to the restaurants to go eat. After that, everybody go their way. Una go reach them. Me don't go burial for here. Oyibo burial. Me don't go Oyibo burial for here. After the burial, we went to the restaurant. Some people there say for cemetery there already. Now some people there already talk and say, oh no, they will not follow you people to the restaurant because they have long way journey ahead of them. So it better now they begin the drive, they go house. They no fit follow go restaurant, go eat too. So some people there already they talk and there for cemetery. So everybody tell each other goodbye. Those one go. Then the remaining one, all of us come gather go restaurant. As we reach restaurant now, menu card now, everybody take each menu card. Even that food where all of us gather eat, where we eat, anybody can order anything where you feel like. You and your family, you can order anything you feel like. Now even another person when they themselves will not be even the family person. When still on a friend of the person wey die, now even stand up talk and say the bill, now him go pay the bill. Make everybody eat and drink. Make the person when they come, the waitress when they come, calculate the whole bill for everybody, give and him go pay. That is how it finish. Everybody eat, they sit down gist. That time when that person they alive. See this thing, see this thing, see this thing. Oh. This is what the person do. Oh. It was so funny. Oh. Una remember that time? This one just gist. Just little gist. The gist finish, we eat finish, everybody say goodbye. Burial don't finish be that. Burial don't finish. Burial, not so burial they end. You don't see the family begin they cry, begin they scratch money, or begin they look frustrated, or begin to carry credit, or begin to take credit. It is the way Nigeria is today. That is why. For here, person fit even die. They no go even government go even done a madman person where even they sleep for main road. When they walk out from main road, he fall, he die. They don't know if he no get family, no get anything. Here, government, they bury him. For here, na government, they bury him. They go give him defeatable burial. They will bury him. They will do everything well for him. They will still even put her for newspaper. In case anybody know the person. But for our own Africa home for burial, oh, okay now. They never count how many crates of drink the one shack. They never count how many goats, how many cow, how many canopy. They never count all those ones. They never count bag of rice, bag of tomato, take away. Musician, oh my God. Musician, everything. Why not if somebody died, they will say, see the children, how una hand reach. Make una see they do the burial. Let us look how we can come together and look how we can help one another. Let's look how we can help one another and do this burial. That the thing will not disturb any one of una. Not because family is supposed to come together, take support. That is how family is supposed to come together, come support. Look, oh, as it is so, I feel bring 1 crate of drink. See they support una. As it be, I feel bring 1 bag of rice. See they support una. This one go see bring. This one go see bring. This one go see bring. Everybody go join hand together. Burial never show be that one. Problem no go there. Problem no go there. This one say, I get one musician why I know. Maybe the musician fit play. See how much the musician said the musician cost. Who wants to join support? Make it see join support. It must not even be from the children of the person who die. e must not, the money must not even come out for the children of the person wey die. Who know say if he help go still join help. No be the one wey some people go dey carry credit to go dey do burial. Then after they don do burial finish, money to eat for money to eat for house, they no even get single money wey they want to eat. Nothing. They go do all those one finish for Nigeria, they go come abroad. They go come abroad. If they come abroad finish, una know as they be. Una know as they be. Even for the abroad, if they come back, even foods to eat, they even dey hard. For some of them, when they come out, they don't even get single money when they want to eat. Even food to eat, they hard them. If they hard them to eat, the rich finish, they come still go dey beg people money. When they wanted chop for house, all the names say they go do burial. All the names say they go do burial, they come dey ask of people for food. Very, very sad. That is very, very sad. So my people, I think I have to end this now. Till the next time, I thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share for your friends. Thank you, and have a nice evening. Goodbye.